Hello friends, my name is Bhujbal Pratiksha. Today I am going to talk about prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells are the two primary categories of the cells that make up all living organisms. They are differ significantly in terms of their structure, organization, and their complexity. So, first of all, we are going to talk about prokaryotic cells. So, first one is the structure of prokaryotic cells. So, structure of prokaryotic cells are typically smaller and simpler in structure as compared to eukaryotic cells. They they are lack of true nucleus and membrane bound organelles. Then second one is the nucleus. So prokaryotic cells do not have a membrane bound nucleus. Instead of their genetic material, which consists of a single circular DNA molecules, is located in the nucleoid region, a region that is within the cell. Then third one is the membrane bound organelles. Prokaryotic cells lack of most membrane bound organelles found in the eukaryotic cells, such as the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, and lysosome. Then fourth one is the cell wall. So, most prokaryotic cells have rigid cell wall made up of peptidoglycan, which provide the structural support and protection to the cell. Then fifth one is the plasma membrane. They have a plasma membrane lipid bilayer that encloses the cell and controls the passage of molecules in and out of the cell. Then sixth one is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm of prokaryotic cells contains ribosomes where protein synthesis occur. They are lack of complex cytoskeletal system present in eukaryotic cells. Then seventh one is the reproduction. Prokaryotic cells reproduce through a binary fission, a simple and a rapid process where the cell divides into two identical daughter cells. Then eighth one is the flagella. Some prokaryotic cells have flagella, that is white-like structure that help in the movement. Then flagella in prokaryotic are simpler in structure as compared to the eukaryotic cell. Some are the example of prokaryotic cells are the bacteria, archaea are the examples of organisms composed of the prokaryotic cell. Then second one is the eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell, first of all, structure of eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cells are generally larger and complex than prokaryotic cells. They have a defined nucleus and numerous membrane bound organelles. Then second one is the nucleus of eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells have a true nucleus which houses the genetic material, that is DNA, within a double membrane. Then the nucleus controls cellular activities and is the site of DNA replication and transcription. Then third one is the membrane bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells contains various membrane bound organelles including endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, lysosome, and many more. Then these organelles perform a specialized function within a cells. Then talking about fourth one, cell wall. Plant cells and fungal cells have a rigid cell wall made up of substances like a cellulose, that is plants, or chitin, that is fungi, outside the plasma membrane. Then animal cells do not have cell wall. Then fifth one is the plasma membrane. Like prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells also have a plasma membrane that regulate the flow of molecules into and out of the cell. Then sixth one is the cytoplasm. Eukaryotic cells have a complex cytoplasm with various organelles including the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and dynamic cytoskeletal made up of microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Then seventh one is the reproduction. Eukaryotic cells reproduce through a mitosis, that is for a somatic cells, and meiosis for gametes. Then this process involves the formation of daughter cells with a full complement of organelles. Then 8th one is the flagella and cilia. Some eukaryotic cells have flagella and cilia for movement. Then eukaryotic flagella are more complex in structure and are surrounded by a plasma membrane. Some are the examples of eukaryotic cells, that is they including animals, plants, fungi, protists, etc. That's all about the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Thank you so much.